Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to change your username on your Facebook account. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Go ahead and click on here, your profile icon. Go ahead and click on setting. Go ahead and click on account center. Proceed with full Facebook profile. Select your Facebook account profile. Proceed to username. Here we go. Then go ahead and enter your new username. Click on OK. If the username is available, you're going to have this check mark right here. Go ahead and click on Done right here. It's as simple as that. So if you go back to your username, you see your current username has been fully changed. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.